Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make cornbread cake. First, gather your dry ingredients: 1 cup of cornmeal, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/3 cup of sugar, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Grease a 9-inch baking pan. Combine all the dry ingredients in a large mixing bowl, ensuring they are well mixed. Next, prepare your wet ingredients. In a separate bowl, whisk together 1 cup of milk, 2 large eggs, and 1/4 cup of melted unsalted butter. Once combined, gently pour this wet mixture into your dry ingredients. Stir everything together until it is just combined. Be careful not to overmix the batter. A few lumps are perfectly fine for a tender cake. Now it's time to bake your delicious cornbread cake. Carefully pour the batter into your greased 9-inch baking pan, spreading it evenly. Place the pan into your preheated 400-degree Fahrenheit oven. Bake for 20 to 25 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. The top should be a beautiful golden brown. Once baked, remove the cornbread cake from the oven and let it cool in the pan for about 10 minutes. This helps it set and makes it easier to slice. Then, cut into squares and serve warm. It's absolutely wonderful with a pat of butter, a drizzle of honey, or alongside a hearty bowl of chili. Enjoy your homemade, easy cornbread cake.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.